Ethiopia, a land of ancient history and diverse landscapes, holds a secret treasure: wild horses. These aren't just any horses. They represent a unique and ancient lineage, genetically distinct from domesticated horses. Imagine a horse perfectly adapted to survive in the rugged Ethiopian highlands. These horses are smaller than their domesticated counterparts, with a distinctive reddish-brown coat and a flowing black mane. These horses are not as well known as other African equids like zebras. However, they are just as fascinating and ecologically important. They roam free in the wild, entirely dependent on their instincts and resilience to survive. Their story is one of adaptation, resilience, and a deep connection to the Ethiopian landscape. High in the Ethiopian highlands, above the tree line, lies a unique ecosystem known as the Afro-Alpine grassland. This is where you'll find Ethiopia's wild horses. It's a land of the extremes. Picture vast, open plains punctuated by rocky outcrops and volcanic hills. The air is thin at this altitude, and the weather can change in an instant. During the day, the sun beats down relentlessly. However, temperatures plummet at night. These wild horses have adapted to this harsh environment over millennia. The landscape, though challenging, provides everything these horses need to survive. Life for a wild horse in Ethiopia is a constant search for food and water. They are grazers, spending their days roaming the highlands in search of nutritious grasses and herbs. The horses live in small herds, usually led by a dominant stallion. This social structure provides safety in numbers against predators. The stallion leads his herd to the best grazing spots and protects them from danger. Ethiopian wolves are their main predators, and the horses rely on their speed and agility to escape. Life in this challenging environment is a delicate balance, but these horses have mastered the art of survival. Though often overlooked, these wild horses play a vital role in their ecosystem. As grazers, they help to maintain the health of the grasslands. Their grazing patterns prevent any one plant species from dominating, promoting biodiversity. This diversity is essential for the health of the entire ecosystem. Their hooves also churn up the soil, aiding in seed dispersal. This helps to create a patchwork of different plant species, providing food and habitat for a variety of other animals. These wild horses are a keystone species, meaning their presence has a disproportionately large impact on the ecosystem's health. Over generations, these horses have evolved to thrive in their challenging environment. Their smaller size and sturdy build make them sure-footed on the rocky terrain. Their thick coats provide insulation against the cold highland nights. Even their digestive systems are adapted to extract maximum nutrients from the tough, fibrous grasses that grow at these altitudes. Their senses are also highly developed. They have excellent eyesight, which helps them spot predators from afar. Their keen sense of smell guides them to water sources, even during the dry season. These adaptations are a testament to the power of natural selection, shaping these horses into perfectly tuned survivors. What makes these wild horses truly special is their unique genetic makeup. Studies have shown that they are genetically distinct from domesticated horses. They represent an ancient lineage that has remained isolated for thousands of years. This makes them a living link to the past, a window into the evolution of horses. Their genetic diversity is also important for the future. In a world facing climate change and habitat loss, this diversity could hold the key to the survival of horse populations worldwide. These wild horses are a living library of genetic information, vital for preserving the health and resilience of horse populations globally. Despite their resilience, these wild horses are facing growing threats. Habitat loss due to human encroachment is a significant concern. As human populations grow, the land available for these horses to roam freely shrinks. Overgrazing by livestock also puts pressure on their limited food resources. Poaching and illegal hunting also pose a threat to their survival. These factors, combined with the challenges of a harsh environment, make it increasingly difficult for these horses to thrive. It's a stark reminder that even the most adaptable creatures are vulnerable to the impacts of human activities. Thankfully, efforts are underway to protect these remarkable animals. Conservation organizations are working with local communities to establish protected areas for the horses, ensuring they have access to vital grazing grounds. Education programs are raising awareness about the importance of these horses and the threats they face. These efforts are crucial for the long-term survival of Ethiopia's wild horses. By understanding their ecological importance and supporting conservation initiatives, we can help ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to roam free in their rugged mountain home for generations to come. The story of Ethiopia's wild horses is a reminder of the hidden wonders that our planet holds. These animals, with their ancient lineage and remarkable adaptations, deserve our attention and protection. Their fate is intertwined with our own. By supporting conservation efforts and promoting responsible land management practices, we can help ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to grace the Ethiopian highlands for generations to come. Their survival is a testament to the resilience of nature, and their story is an inspiration to us all.